do deal with life, and yet we feel incomplete,
Hmm.
And it's like, most of the times I feel, oh, this shit is materialistic, huh? And you don't get that contentment out of it. I mean, let's imagine we both are partying at Westin, right? One of the best hotels here in Bali, and we're having a nice time together.
It's by the way, it's 4 a.m. in the
But
morning.
but it's all eventually materialism, right?
Hmm.
This shit doesn't satisfy me.
Hmm.
So that's how I realized, one day I was driving in Pune for work, and I was thinking constantly about something that had happened, a couple of days earlier to that day. And I just kept thinking. Something hit me, and I just pulled over and I wrote this. Huh?
Hmm.
So it's untitled yet because it's not a complete one.
Hmm.
But yet I'll read it out to you. तराशा जिस्म को बाखुदा रूह को मलाल रह गया. तराशा जिस्म को बाखुदा रूह को मलाल रह गया. कब्र में सब मिट्टी हुआ कुछ मलाल रह गया. आजाद रूह दरिया पार कर गई. जिस्म कैद हुस्न जमाल में रह गया. Just imagine, like, the body is caught up in there, huh? But the soul has traveled. That is what I'm talking about. I'm sure you would have read about Ashoka the warrior, the king who...
Ashoka.
Yeah. So, the next one is about that. Cheekhe suni Kalingo Karbala. Karbala, I don't know whether you know about Maidan Karbala. So, Cheekhe suni Kalingo Karbala. Kaling is where Ashoka was from. चीखे सुनी कलिंगो करबला. सुबह का रंग सियाह खून से सना लाल हो गया. आलमगीर था अशोक कासा लिए एक सवाल रह गया. Alamgir means the king of the kings, king of the world. He was a fucking king of the world. He conquered everything. When he slaughtered everybody, won territories, won lands, that's when it hit him and he became a monk, right? ये मैंने क्या कर दिया? That's what hit him. चीखे सुनी कलिंगो करबला. सुबह का रंग सियाह खून से सना लाल हो गया. आलमगीर था अशोक कासा लिए एक सवाल रह गया. And he asked himself, what did I do? He became a question mark. बन सिकंदर में कर आऊं फतेह दर दौरे ज़मी और जहां. Sikandar, Alexander the Great, that's how they know him, right? बन सिकंदर में कर आऊं फतेह दर दौरे ज़मी और जहां. नसीब होगा तो क्या कफन 7 फुट कमाल हो गया. At the end of it, what is it? आखिरत बोलते हैं. Muslims called it. Muslims call it आखिरत. आखिरत में नसीब क्या होता भाई? 7 फुट का कफन सफेद रंग का
मिल जाएगा तो
कुछ नहीं लेके जाता भाई. COVID was an example.
True.
Millionaires bloody didn't even get to see their family. Forget about them getting to see their family. Their families couldn't get to see them. Reality of life. So be grounded, be humble. Lots of gratitude. Be thankful to God.
Well done, bro.
Cheers, man. Cheers.
Happy anniversary.
So this is still... Thank you, man. Thank you.
This is still on your anniversary.
This is still an incomplete one. I haven't finished it yet.